Hi guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto here today. I'm just going to show you today's install. It's actually on a Ford Mustang, but it will fit any Ford car with the SYNC2 range in. So if you're not familiar with the SYNC2 or SYNC3, it's obviously ones with this menu here. Now the boxes are a little bit complicated to fit because they do come with a circuit board, which you do need to install into the original radio. And just to pre-warn you, on the Mustang, when you fit the cage and the extra circuit board part, it does go back a little bit further in the depth of the original, so we did have to cut out a little bit of the frame behind it, which is not unheard of in this industry. So they'll be alarmed. You do have to sometimes modify dashes slightly to do it, so just check in with us. But as I said, this is our first one on a Mustang. We haven't really done any on the Ford Focuses or the Mondeos and stuff like that, so we don't know whether the dash will be modified at the back, so obviously do checks on that beforehand. But again, if you've got the SYNC2, then obviously it'll work totally fine. So obviously you can see that the original menus here. Now a lot of videos online for the installation are showing them connecting in through the car's AV in, aux in should I say, or whatever. So basically on this box it isn't, it doesn't do that. So how you do connect our box to the original system to get sound is actually through the original Bluetooth. So what you tend to do is that you pair your device on the MMI side, the CarPlay side. Once it's all set up, you then come back out onto the sync section, and then obviously you pair it through the Bluetooth. Now the good thing is that with it working through the original Bluetooth channel is that you do get a little bit more functionality over other boxes here. So I say the first thing you'll notice is this song title here, and then obviously the name of the custom the track playing in the background, just to show you it does work with the steering wheel controls in the background. Just to pre-warn you though, so obviously you see my phone here, so obviously if you are pairing it this way, also ensure that your sound's high, because that also is reflective on the background. So about to do that, 1 second. See the way it's going down. So just don't be alarmed if you install it, your sound's poor. Just ensure that your volume's up and it's not on mute, should I say. So let me just lower this down. Okay, so so you switch over to the CarPlay side, just simply hold this button in here, and you can see it switches over to there. So obviously for the purpose of the video, I have set it up, but I'll just show you what the home page looks like. So this is the home page of the system. Obviously you can just swipe across. Now just to let you know, these systems are, they're dependent on the year of the car, they're basically resistive or capacitive or whatever. Basically they are meant for tapping and not really meant for that much swiping. So sometimes you might get a box that might need a little bit more of a firmer press on the finger. Yeah, see, it's nice and responsive there, but I have come across some boxes when installed at the touchscreen, you do have to press a little bit firm. You don't on this one, like, but just bear that in mind. Just a little tip for you anyway. So on these, as you can see, the Android Auto's there, the CarPlay's there, and basically they are both wireless. You can connect it through a wired connection if you want. You got screen mirroring there, which I don't rate that much, to be honest with you. So I always say, if you're buying it for mirroring, then basically look for a screen replacement. The mirror link connects to your phone, similar to how these connect on a wireless connection. So what you find, if you connect to that and then you connect to that, you may find you get jumbled up slightly, and then obviously you might have a bit of issue with the mirroring. But again, I wouldn't really sell it for that, to be honest with you. You can do it if you want, but just bear that in mind. Also, you've got your video format, so you do get a USB cable with our system, which you can put movies on it. And 1 second, this one can't buy it. Let me have a little look. That's gone back onto the original here. I've obviously pressed exit, haven't I? So 1 second, go back over. Let's go back to there. So this is obviously the obviously the front view is DVR camera. Going back to the video, and also you've got this music part, so you can put your movies and films on a pen drive and play it through there. Just going back to CarPlay here, just see it's so obviously the CarPlay's on here, and just if I just press that, it does work with the support on the Hey Siri, take me to Liverpool. So you can verbally speak to it too and all, like, so that's another good thing. So just switch that off. We go back to here. So the CarPlay fundamentally is to bring navigation apps over to your phone, text messaging apps, music apps and stuff like that, podcasts and stuff like that. As you can see, it's got like apps that I've brought over from my phone. There's my TalkSport, TuneIn Radio, there's your DAB radio app there too. So if I wanted to play DAB radio, bring all the apps over from my phone. Going back, there's my Soundcloud, so obviously you can play my music through that there too. My WhatsApp, don't want to do that. There's me, that's a little messenger app that we use. I use personally when I speak to the factories over in China. There's your Google Maps, Apple Maps here, there's your Apple Maps there, messages, there's your phone. Obviously there's me, obviously people in my phone there, and if you want to go back, you can either go back to there, press exit, it'll take you back to the car, or alternatively you can press this button down here. So yeah, short video today guys, but there's not much I can say about CarPlay boxes. They tend to do what they do. But as I say, just to reiterate, this is for the SYNC2 car, so any Ford car with the SYNC2 system in there, this will work totally fine. Hope you liked the video, and we'll put the link down below in the description. All our contact details as always, get in touch with us if you need us, and hope to see you soon. Take care, bye bye.